Hi there and welcome to IGCSE Maths Tutors. In this video, we're going to present an IGCSE exam question that tackles profit percentages. The question says, Kim bought 12 boxes of drinks. He paid $15 for each box. There were 12 drinks in each box. Kim sold 3/4 of the drinks for $1.5 each. He sold all the other drinks at a reduced price. He made an overall profit of 15%. Work out how much Kim sold each reduced price drink for. This question is quite easy and simple, but it involves a lot of wording and you have to understand the language of this wording. So we start off with an important formula or an equation that defines the profit. You must know this equation and it's quite simple. It says that profit is equal to the sales minus the costs. And the profit percentage is equal to the sales minus the costs, all divided by the costs multiplied by 100. Since we know that we paid $15 to buy 12 boxes, therefore our total cost is equal to 12 boxes multiplied by $15 per box. And thus we can rewrite this equation after plugging in the numbers that we have as follows. 15 equals to sales, which we don't know, minus the costs, which is 12 multiplied by 15, all over the costs, which is again 12 multiplied by 15, and then we multiply this by 100. If you work out the multiplication, you will end up with 15 equals sales minus 180 over 180, all multiplied by 100. Dividing both sides by 100, we end up with 15 divided by 100 equals sales minus 180 all over 180. Then if we multiply both sides by 180, this will give us 0.15 multiplied by 180 equals to sales minus 180. Finally, if we add 180 to both sides, this gives us 27 plus 180 is equal to the total sales. Working out the addition, we end up with the total sales equal to 207. The question says that Kim sold 3/4 of the drinks for $1.5 each, and therefore the total number of bottles, which is equal to 12 boxes multiplied by 12 bottles per box, should then be multiplied by 3/4 to get the number of bottles sold for $1.5. Hence 3/4 multiplied by 144 gives us 108 bottles. On the other hand, the bottles sold for a reduced price, which we'll call X for the moment, would be equal to the total number of bottles minus 108, which is equal to 36 bottles. So we have 108 bottles sold for $1.5 each and 36 bottles sold for an unknown value X. Therefore, if we would like to get the total sales, it will simply be 108 multiplied by 1.5 plus 36 bottles multiplied by X dollars per bottle. Since we know that these total sales are equal to 207, we end up with 207 equals 108 multiplied by 1.5 plus 36 multiplied by X. And if we do the multiplication, this will give us 207 equals 162 plus 36X, which will finally give us X equal to $1.25, and this is the reduced price that we had to get. I hope you found this question useful and that you understand how we worked out the answer. As I said, these types of questions are a little bit wordy and you have to understand the language and you've got to be able to work out the calculations step by step in order to find the final answer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. And as usual, I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye for now.